Good morning everyone. Myself Jalila Usmani, lecturer. I am giving the information about the third semester subject, that is fabric structure. In that second unit, yarn count and the yarn twist and the yarn count. Earlier sessions you have discussed about the introduction. Today's session is 8th session. Earlier session you have discussed about the definition of the twist, definition of the yarn count, importance and objectives of the twist, how to identify the twist of the yarn, what are the systems used to find out the yarn count, and some of the tables, that is formula, conversion factor, you have to remember. All this you have discussed in the earlier sessions. So there are four types of the systems used to find out the yarn count. That's the first system is the direct system, mass per unit length. Tex and the denier are the systems used in the direct system. Second, indirect system, length per unit mass, English cotton count system and metric system. Third one is universal system. Fourth one is the folded yarn count. These are the systems used to find out the yarn count. What is the yarn count then? It is a numerical expression of the coarseness or the fineness of the yarn. So it is indicated by the numbers which tells about the coarser or the finer of the yarn, that is the whether the yarn is thick or the fine. You have to remember direct, indirect system. You have to remember this table for the calculation of the yarn count. So you have to remember the unit length, unit of length, unit of mass, and the unit of yarn count, and the conversion in the text values. So you have to remember this table. And first problem here, in today's session you want to solve some of the problems related to the yarn count. So remember the formulas on the tables of yesterday's session, then you can easily calculate the yarn count. In this first problem is a Lee 120 yards of cotton yarn weighs 40 grains, calculate its counts. So in this, length of the one Lee is equal to 120 yards. So 120 yards is equal to, that is 120 divided by 840 hands, you have to remember, that is cotton. Weight of the Lee is equal to 40 grains. So weight of the Lee, they given 40 grains. So this is equal to 40 divided by 7000 lb, that is pound. The formula is length of the one Lee divided by weight of the Lee. You have to remember this formula and you have to give the numbers, that is weight, length of the one Lee is equal to 120 divided by 840, that's divided by weight of the Lee is equal to 40 divided by 7000. After calculations you will get the 25. Yes, you have to cancel this divided by and you will get this 25. Yes, this is the count of that cotton yarn. So as you already discussed, as the indirect system, as the number within the 20, that is the coarser, this is in between, that is 20 to 60. So this yarn is fine yarn, no, not the very fine but medium yarn. Next problem is 30 divided by 30 S wool. You have to calculate the yarn count. Here 30 divided by 30 S, you have to convert this into first 3 into 30 is equal to 90. Tex formula is 180 divided by 90, that is equals to 2, and tex value is 2, and in the denier 90 divided by 9000, that is the denier is, wool denier is, TD is denier 0.01. You have to use the tables and you have to divide that one. Next is the 50 years cotton, that is tex. You have to find out in the tex and the denier, find out the values. Tex 590 divided by 50, that is 50 years, that is 11.8 years. This tex value TX, TT, and the TD denier value is 50 divided by 9000, that is equals to 0.0056, the denier value. Convert 80 years cotton to tex and the denier. Here denier system is equal to 5315 divided by n. It is the formula here given in the table. You have to remember this. For the tex conversion, tex system is equal to 590.5 divided by n. So here they have given the convert 80 number, 80 tex and denier. For the denier system, 5315 divided by n. So put the n number is 80. 5315 divided by 80 is equal to 66.437 denier. For the text system, 590.5 divided by n, that is 590.5 divided by 80 is equal to 7.3812 tex. Next, what is the Lee weight of the 30s yarn solution? Weight of that is 1000 divided by 30, that is equal to 33.1 divided by 3 grains. You have to find the Lee weight, that is grains. Next is what is the weight of 15 years of 40 years yarn, that is weight of the one Lee is equal to 120 yards, that is equal to 1000 divided by 40 is equal to 25. Here for 15 yards we have to weight is equal to 25 into 25 divided by 120, that is 17 by 3 grains. A Lee of 120 cotton weight 40 grains, calculate. Earlier you have calculated this, same repetition you have to calculate this. If the weight of the 400 meters of yarn is 6 grams, calculate its count in text system. So if the weight is given, you have to calculate it the text weight in grams divided by length in kilometers. So the grams weight is 6 grams and the length is 400, that is weight in grams 6 grams divided by length in kilometers. You have to convert into kilometers. So 1 meter is equal to 1000, that is 400 divided by 1000. This equals 6 into 1000 divided by 400, that after calculation you get the 15 years. If the weight of the 400 meters of yarn is 6 grams, calculate its count in text system. Same here, weight is 6 and the meters is 400. Convert 20 years cotton into worsted system. You have to convert this cotton into worsted system. The noun count is 20 years and the conversion factor is 1.5. Therefore, count is required is 20 into 1.5, that is 30 years worsted. You have to remember the conversion factors. Convert 100 years cotton count British into denier, that is metric system. Length unit of the cotton system is 840 yards. 840 into 0.9144 meters. Length unit in denier, that is 9000 meters. Weight of the unit in cotton 53.6 grams. Weight unit in a denier 1 gram. So therefore the count required for the cotton system is equal to 453.6 divided by 1, that divided by 840. We have to remember this formula and put the numbers and calculate the denier. After the calculation it will come 53.15 denier or the metric. You have to remember the tables. So I have referred these books. You can refer for the detailed information. You can refer these books from. Any doubts you can ask, otherwise change the numbers and you can use the formulas and find out the any counts systems. Just you change the numbers and try the other calculations.